Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a great morning so far. I was actually able to move around today, so here I am. Thank you for the well wishes that I got on Dojo. I appreciate that a lot. So let's get going on our calendar. All right, what day of the week is it today? Thursday. Very good. So, Thursday. What do you hear in the beginning of Thursday? You hear and what two letters, when you put them together, say T and H. So T and H, when you put them together, says Thursday. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay, if today is Thursday, what was yesterday? What? Which day of the week says what? Wednesday. Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. What will tomorrow be? It says, which day of the week says Friday? Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Okay, let's sing our song. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday comes along. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we sing our days in song. Very good. All right, now let's take a look at our calendar. So, if you notice, I don't have any of my numbers up here except 1. So, we are in a new month. We have January, February, March. What comes after March? April. We are in April. April. Now, we know that that is an A. An A is a vowel. A vowel has 2 sounds. Remember, and strong A. So, is that saying April? No, it is saying April. So that's the long A sound. April. April. Yesterday was April 1st. So if yesterday was April 1st, what's today going to be? What comes after 1? 2. Here's the number 2. Do we have any 10s? No, we do not. How many 1s do we have? Just 2. 2 1s. All right, so let me put 2 on our calendar. Very good. All right, so that's set. Let's take a look at the weather. What does the weather look like outside? I'm looking out my window right now, and guess what? I see the sun. So I'm going to put sunny. You can finally see the sun after several days of clouds. That makes the day a little bit better. I'd rather be spending my day with you guys, but you got to do what you got to do, right? All right. So now let's go over to our board here. All right, I'm going to use blue today. Oh, where's my blue card? There it is. Okay. I'm going to use blue. So, today is blank, blank, Thursday, blank, blank, blank. I need your help. So, we said today was Thursday. So that's what 2 letters, when you put them together, say T and H. Very good. Now, should I have a capital T or a lowercase t? Capital T. Why? Because it's day of the week. Now, how about that H? Should I make that a capital H? No, it does not need to be capital. It's in the middle of the word. We don't capitalize letters in the middle of words. So we're going to do a lowercase h. Today is Thursday. What month did we say we were in? April with a strong A. I'm just going to copy this. April. A-P-R-I-L. April what? 2. Now we don't say April 2. We say April 2nd. Can you say that with me? April 2nd. Good. So we're going to put a 2. All right. And what year is it? 2020 or 2020. Okay, let's write the date digitally, which means just numbers. So a digit is a number, so we're going to write it digitally. Now, in March, we would put a 3 here because it's the 3rd month of the year. Now, we're in a new month, so it's not going to be 3. It's going to be 4. January, February, March, April. So we're going to put a 4 in this first box. Okay, now if you remember, what goes in the second box? Does 20 go in that second box? No, we're going to use the date. So today is April 2nd, and 2nd is 2. So we're going to put a 2 right there. Okay, and finally, what's going in that last box? Good, the last part of the year, so 20. All right, so let's go down to our tens frame. How many, I'm just gonna do stars, it's easy. How many stars am I going to put in my tens frame? Am I gonna put 20? No. Am I gonna put 4? No, I'm only gonna put 2 because we are working with the date, so the number of the day is usually going to go with the date. So let's put 2. 1, 2. All right, I added word form. So for the number 2, what's the first sound you hear in 2? T, t, t. What letter says t, t, t? T. Should I capitalize it? No, I don't have to capitalize it. And I'm just going to spell the rest of it out for you. T, W, O. 2. All right, let's move on over to this side and then we'll work on our number bond last. So our number of the day is 2. So what number comes before 2? If you don't remember, look here. What number comes before 2? That's right, 1. So I'm going to put a 1 on this first line. Okay, now what number comes after 2? So if you're counting, what's going to come after 2? We have 1, 2, 3. Good. Super easy today. All right, tallies. How many tallies am I going to make? Just 2. 1, 2. That's it. All right, now let's work on our number bond. All right, what number am I going to put in this big circle? 2. Okay, so we're going to try to find 2 numbers that equal 2. So, do I have any 10s? No. So, could I put a 0 here? Sure. I could put a 0 there. How many 1s do I have? 2. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Good. So I'm going to make that into an equation. I already have my lines here. I have blank plus blank equals blank. So I'm going to do 0 plus 2 equals 2. Now, what if I erase this? Do you know any other numbers that might equal to 2? I'm going to start with the number 1 because we already did 0. So let's go to 1. Okay. 1 plus what is going to get us to that 2? 1 plus 1. Do I have 2 fingers up? Equals 2. So am I going to put a 2 here? No, because I already have that 1. I just added 1 more, because if I put a 2 there, that 1 plus 2 is 3. So I'm going to put another 1 there, because I only added 1 more finger. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Is that true? Let's draw it out real quick. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2. I think we're right. So I'm going to write that in the equation. We have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Very good. All right, boys and girls, that is all I have for calendar today. Make sure you go on YouTube, practice counting by 1s to 100, 5s to 100, and 10s to 100. Make sure you're also practicing your sight words. When it's warm outside, please go outside. Make it fun. You can make a hopscotch sight words. So like you would make the boxes like hopscotch, write sight words in them, and then toss a rock, toss, I don't know, a sock, toss anything, and then wherever one they land on, they have to read the word. Take some sidewalk chalk if it's not too bad out and just write your sight words. If you have shaving cream at home, clean your table off and write sight words in shaving cream. You can write sentences with shaving cream. Just make sure there's a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Shaving cream is also really good to clean your counters and stuff. So after they're done playing, you have a nice clean counter. Works. It's a win-win situation and your kiddos are still learning. Make sure you're going onto Seesaw and doing the stuff on Seesaw. Make sure you're doing Raz Kids. Make sure that they're going on to Happy Numbers. I do not want you guys to lose any of the things that we've learned so far this year. I want you guys to keep your brains moving. Okay? All right, kiddos. That's all I have for today. Look for my reading that I will be posting shortly. Have a great day, guys. Bye.